Hello there. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the CRI project. The first part is about the home page, which is also the project directory. As we can see, there are four main categories here: browse, recruitment, communities, and latest active projects. So by clicking on them, it will quickly redirect you to the selected place. So under the different categories, it allows you to have quick access to browse projects for different purposes. For the browse project section, the projects are divided into different groups according to the team identity. So whether it is a lab project or student project. If you want to have a general overview of projects for a certain group, for example, the students project, click it and then browse. So for each project, here, there is a color to indicate the team identity. And this one, it is orange. So all the students' projects have been marked by the color orange. And then there are images for SDG concern, sustainable development goals. And then their titles and the purpose. Okay. If you would like to know projects for a specific community, then you can click on this and you can have the overview of all projects in a map, or you can know about the recruitment and also the latest active projects. And in the recruitment session, people publish their recent needs of recruiting, such as a participant or interns for training, or paid employee. And at the end, for the latest active projects, as the title indicates, those projects are arranged according to their most recent modification time. A project will jump up here immediately after its update. Okay, let's go back to top. So under the four main categories, there are another two options. One is to create a new project, and the other is to have an overview of all running projects on the map. These are the key functions of the CRI project, so I'm going to explain them later in a separate session. Besides these options, there are another three important buttons at the top right in the corner. Let's take a look. So this one, the flag indicates language. We now support three different languages, French, English, and simplified Chinese. You can switch to another language by just clicking it. The button next to it is our very powerful search engine. It could be very helpful to find a specific project. We support keyword search, and also we use tag and people to filter the result. So let's give a try. Type the keyword, for example, education, and then maybe type digital. So here are three projects relevant to it. And the last button here links to your personal profile. In your profile, there should be a photo and the name. Here, you can also create a new project. And this one is linked to the CRI people page, the internal profile database. And then you can log out here. Here, you can also track the projects that you are following. For example, I'm following some projects that are run by my team. And I can see a summary of their most recent activities in the project log. And here is a shortcut to our project. There's none now, but we are going to create one together in the next part. And then here, we can check the projects that we have recently reviewed. There's none because I didn't use this account to make any comments. A tip: do you remember the orange color indicates student project? So here, by clicking it, it can help you filter the projects too. Okay, so this is a general introduction of the CRI project. I will demonstrate to you how to create project and how to use the map in the next two parts. See you there. Thank you.